Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back. So this is part 2 of that. What? So this is second part. Oh shit! Look at my face. It's all fucking dirty. My bad. Sorry for starting off this video like this, but fuck it, fool.
This is the one.
This is the one, huh? So it's basically the same day we recorded that other video you guys saw on Friday. And
you look dirty.
I'm dirty, fool. I'm dirty as fuck. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck.
Fire, huh? Painting, fire.
You guys don't know what we've been through right now, but
Fire. Oh, fuck, dude.
so yeah, you guys remember we had to stop doing the angle kit on the car because it started raining. So then we painted the lip. What's wrong with you, bro?
This is not. We're looking at the lip.
So we had to fucking, you guys remember we painted the lip? It's on now. Check it out. What do you guys think? See or no? It looks fucking beautiful.
Wet.
That wet, huh?
Wet.
So yeah, it basically stopped raining like around 4 or 5. So Derek came back and then he's like, fuck it, let's just continue doing the angle kit. So yeah, that's what we started doing. We installed the lip. Looks beautiful. I like it. And we did one side on the angle kit. But check it out, guys. This is the nightmare we had to go through because this shit right here, let me show you, did not want to come off. So the little ring that goes inside, it seized up to the bolt on the frame rail, and I had to go buy that little torch. I burned the fuck out of it, and then I had to use those channel locks right there to twist it off and take it off. That shit was a bitch. Look, check it out.
Shout out to Harvey.
That shit was a bitch, guys. You guys don't even know. Yeah, we managed to fucking take it off. But yeah, like I said, it was a fucking bitch. Huh, fool? I almost gave up.
Fucking little kids.
I was like, fuck it. I was like, fuck PBN, ain't okay, huh? But yeah, check it out. We did this side, so check out that camber. They gave it a little bit of camber, and then check out this angle though. Ah, so puta madre. No mames. Look at that shit. Turn it the other way, broski. Damn. Verga, no mames. That's me?
That's a nice steering wheel, bro.
Thank you, thank you. Shout out to USPL. Fucking Derek took a hit. He's all faded already.
Always.
Look at this fool.
Always faded.
Yeah, we might even go test it out, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Derek?
It's raining, dog.
What do you think so far?
I think we have to. It's a little wet.
No, but let's talk about this shit. What do you think so far of the angle we have achieved today?
It's pretty successful.
Pretty successful.
We got a little grinding to do. A little, nothing crazy.
Yeah, we can. I didn't shave anything off, but I know if I shave off the little knuckle or the, what is it? The spindle. Spindle?
Or is it the arm? It's part of the arm, no?
Yeah, it's part of the
It's the PVM.
No, not the PVM part. The spindle. If I shave down the spindle, it doesn't hit on the arm anymore. So
both.
yeah, I'm gonna shave out both. But for now, I want to test it out like this, fool. And if I feel I need more, which I doubt it, we'll shave it down and get a little bit more angle out of it.
Sounds like a plan, bro. Let's get it.
Let's get it. All right, we're gonna do the other side. We'll basically show you, and if hopefully, I'm hoping that other side arm is not as
same.
Yeah, it's not the same.
I put some PB Blaster on that.
You did?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, fool. So you're not that faded. It's the one in the front. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's just slightly cambered. So I had to remove the tire to get to it. But yeah, this shit was like really bad, guys. Check it out. You guys see it? That shit had separated from the bottom piece, and then it had cracked from the top. I still gotta weld a little bit. Still gotta weld a little bit right here. Look, see where that crack is? Still gotta weld a little bit right there. I kind of bent it back and then I welded that shit together. And then check out this side. You guys see how it was cracked from the top? But I welded the whole thing right there together. This is how originally it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna finish welding it and then I'm gonna drive it like this. I'm gonna drive it like this for a couple of days, and if I notice that it doesn't crack, then I think we're good. But if I notice that it starts cracking or the welds start to break, then I'm just gonna have to order new axles, or even at that point I'm gonna have to buy a new trailer, because this shit keeps breaking. This shit has been nothing but problems. I mean, I do abuse it every fucking day. Like I basically daily it, and I tow around like 3 to 5 cars a day. So I mean, I get it. It takes a beating, but yeah. If I notice it starts cracking, then I'm just gonna have to order a new trailer or some new axles. I think new axles. I think I can get the axles done, but we'll see though.
Let's just put it up on blocks real quick. What happened? What are you doing?
This shit fucking broke, bro.
Broke? How?
Check it out.
Under.
Just look under, bro.
Oh shit. That whole shit broke off?
Yeah. The axle broke. That's the axle, bro.
And it cracked right there? Or?
It cracked.
Are you done already?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, it looks done.
That shit was cambered in, fool.
A lot?
Like a lot. I noticed. I'm like, what the hell? Why is it cambered?
You look and fucking.
And I look, yeah. Good thing I was.
What about the other side? Might as well just do the other side, no?
No, well, they're tack welded like from factory, I guess. So, quick fix, guys. I'm done. I'm gonna put it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it away, and then we're gonna continue with this car, with this Yonke. So yeah, bro, I basically gotta raise up the car a little bit, and then.
Good, bro. Why are you gonna raise it up?
Cause I can't drive it off the driveway, fool. It's basically scraping right now, fool. I can't drive it at all, fool. At all.
Just the front, huh?
Yeah. So let's raise it up and then we'll go test it out, or what? Down or what? Ah, fuck it.
Who wants to weld his diff? That fool's fucking down.
Let's do it.
Drift right now. He's like, let's
go.
Right now.
So somebody wants to weld their diff?
Couple of them.
Okay.
Miata diffs.
Alright guys, so finally, thank God the sun is out. We're gonna finally finish this car. I'm gonna remove the 2 tires, lift it up about 1 inch, and we should be golden. Trailer's ready to go. Alright broskies, I'm done lifting the passenger side. Check it out. Look how beautiful that looks. And then I'm also done doing the driver's side, and check it out how beautiful that looks. Very nice. I'll put the wheels on and then I'll drop it and see if the height is cool. Alright broski, it's the moment of truth. Vamos a ver. I'm gonna drop it. Whoops. Let's see. Bam. Well, at least I can get my jack out. Let's see. About a finger. Let's check the other side. Seems a little lower, but I measured them. Alright, there's only one way to find out. I'm gonna drive it up and down, and then maybe it'll settle down. It'll drop a little more. I don't know, we'll see. just as I suspected, I'm having a lot of clearance issues. So I'm hitting on the driver's side and the passenger side. Fuck. So I'm hitting on the headlight bracket on this side. I gotta, I don't know, bend it in or bend it forward, and I should be able to clear. And then over here, I'm hitting right here, which I did bang it already, but I guess I gotta bang it a little more. Alright, broskies, I finally did it. Check it out. I got the car out of the driveway. I took it for a spin. The ride height looks cool on both sides. Just gotta fix that bumper. I think it's the hood though. It's a little crooked. But other than that, the car is perfect. Alright, broski, so bad news. The homie Derek's not gonna come back. He had to do some stuff with this girl, so shit, I really wanted to test out the car. And I don't want to go by myself because then I wouldn't be able to film, and you guys know that I have no tags. But yeah, overall I like this angle kit, bros. Check it out. Check out how crazy that shit looks. Chingo. Let's check out the other side. See or no? About time, huh? What do you guys think? You think I'm gonna kill it, or you guys think I'm gonna suck now that I have an angle kit? Well, I can't wait to test it out. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna end the video right here. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of my life. I know things don't always go as planned, and there's always gonna be ups and downs, and just remember not to give up. I don't give up. Sometimes I get pissed and shit because shit goes wrong, but you just gotta grab life by the balls and face it, you know. But yeah, this is my life, and I want to thank you guys for being a part of it. Fuck it, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.